folks, I'm going to show you what you would do on an F-150, probably about the 2017 to 2021. I'm not quite sure. I'll let you know in the description. If your key fob was to go dead on your truck, the first thing you're going to do is take your key fob, looks like this, and press this button right here. You see on the key fob, you want to press that. When you do that, a key will come out. Your key will come out just like that, pretty much. And then once you do that, you take this key right here to open up your door. And once you have that door open, then what you want to do is come inside of your vehicle, go to your second cup holder. This will be covered up like this, so you just want to pop that out. And then once you see that slot down there, you just want to take your key fob, drop it down inside of that slot like that, and then go ahead and press your brake and press your push start, and your vehicle should start. All right, folks, once again, this is what you would do just in case your key fob was to go dead on a Ford F-150. All right, please check out the other Heifer videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.